Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope your day is going fantastic. I just wanted to alliterate on something that is basically bugging the shit out of me. And I don't know why it's bugging me, but I have to clarify something, right? And it's basically clarifying a noun. Um, let's see what a noun is. Noun. So first we're going to look at the word noun, um, and then we're going to uh, break it apart. A noun is a noun. Okay. Um, let's see what a noun is.
Noun. N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. In grammar, a name. Word that denotes a thing, material or immaterial, late 14c. From Anglo-French noun, name, noun, from Old French nom, non, modern French nom. From Latin nomen, name, noun, from pi root asterisk nomen, name. Old English used name to mean noun. In Old use also including adjectives, as noun adjective. Related, nounal. Entries related to noun. Asterisk nomen. Pronoun. Others are reading. Definitions of noun from WordNet. Noun. N. A content word that can be used to refer to a person, place, thing, quality, or action. Noun. N. The word class that can serve as the subject or object of a verb, the object of a preposition, or in apposition. Dictionary entries near noun. Notwithstanding. Nougat. Not. Noumenal. Noumenon. Noun. Nourish. Nourishing. Nourishment. Noose. Nouveau riche.
Noose. Wow. Okay. So a noun means no man. No man. It means a name. A noun is a name which denotes a thing. Well, let's see what a thing is, shall we? Let's see what a thing is. A thing is a noun. Okay? What is a thing?
Thing. N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Old English ing, meeting, assembly, council, discussion, later entity, being, matter, subject of deliberation in an assembly, also act, deed, event, material object, body, being, creature, from Proto-Germanic asterisk
Creature.
assembly. Source also of Old Frisian thing, assembly, council, suit, matter, thing, Middle Dutch dink, court day, suit, plea, concern, affair, thing, Dutch ding, thing, Old High German ding, public assembly for judgment and business. Lawsuit, German ding, affair, matter, thing, Old Norse ing, public assembly. The Germanic word is perhaps literally appointed time, from a pi asterisk tank, 1, from root asterisk 10, stretch, perhaps some notion of stretch of time for a meeting or assembly. The sense meeting, assembly, did not survive Old English. For sense evolution, compare French chose, Spanish cosa, thing, from Latin causa, judicial process, lawsuit, case.
A
Latin
judicial
res,
process
affair,
or
thing,
lawsuit.
also, case at law, cause. Old sense is preserved in second element of hustings and in Icelandic althing, the nation's general assembly. Of persons, often pityingly, from late 13c. Used colloquially since c. 1600 to indicate things the speaker can't name at the moment, often with various meaningless suffixes, see thingamajig. Things, personal
Meaningless
possessions, is from
suffix.
c. 1300. The thing, what's stylish or fashionable, is recorded from 1762. Phrase do your thing, follow your particular predilection, though associated with hippie speak of 1960s is attested from 1841. Entries related to thing.
Okay, so now we know what a thing is, right? It's a meeting assembly. It is also a lawsuit. It is also a court case. It is a council, an assembly. Okay, so that's what a thing is. So now we know what a noun is. A noun is a thing. It is just a meeting, right? Person, place, or thing. It's a meeting place, okay? So what is know? Let's see what know is. What is know? We want to know what know is. Know is an adjective and a noun, okay? Know. Let's see what an adjective is, right? An adjective, right? We know, right? Let's see what no, not in any degree, not at all. Let's see what
Noun,
no
ADV.
is.
Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Not in any degree, not at all. Middle English, from Old English na, from nay, not, no, plus a ever. The
Ever.
first element is from Proto-Germanic * nay. Source also of Old Norse, Old Frisian, Old High German nay, Gothic ni, not from Pi root * nay, not. Second element is from Proto-Germanic * iwi, extended form of Pi root * aiw, vital force, life, long life, eternity. Ultimately identical to nay, and the differences of use are accidental. As an adjective, not any, not one, none, c. 1200, it is reduced from Old English nan, see none. The final n omitted first before consonants and then altogether. As an interjection making a negative reply to a statement or question, not so, early 13c. From the adverb. As a noun, 1580s as a denial. A negative vote, 1650s as person who casts a negative vote. Construction no X, no Y is attested from 1530s, in no penny no pardon. No problem as an interjection of assurance is attested by 1963. No way is a colloquial expression meaning, it can't be done, is attested by 1968.
It can't be done.
No way, ADV.
No way,
In
not at all,
respect,
no
by
respect.
no means, is from c. 1300. No knock, adj. In reference to police raids without permission or warning is by 1970, American English. Phrase no can do, it is not possible, is attested from 1827, a locution of English-speaking Chinese noted 19c. In China, Australia, and the west coast of the United States. We repeated our advice again and again, but got no answer but a loud horse laugh, and their national maxim of no can do. Europe fashion no do in China.
No can do.
Reminiscences of a voyage to and from China, in Paxton's Horticultural Register, London, 1836. Entries related to no, *AIW, *nay, can do, may, may, nobody, no fault, no frills, no go, no hitter, no how, no name, none, no parking, no place, no show, nowhere. See all related words. 23, greater than.
So no means no way or nah, none, never, no doubt. It means a police raid. Okay, so now we know what no means. Okay, what does UN mean? UN, we want to know what the UN means. UN1 and UN2. Okay. Let's see, go back here. Go UN. UN. Let's see what UN means, okay? What does UN mean?
1. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Prefix of negation. Old English un. From Proto-Germanic * un. Source also of Old Saxon, Old Frisian, Old High German, German un, Gothic un, Dutch on. From Pi * n. Source of Sanskrit a, and
Dutch.
not, Greek a, and Old Irish in, Latin in. Combining form of Pi root * nay, not. Often euphemistic, such as untruth for lie. The most prolific of English prefixes.
So
freely and
UN
widely
means a
used in
lie.
Old English, where it forms more than 1,000 compounds. It underwent a mass extinction in early Middle English, but emerged with renewed vigor 16c. To form compounds with native and imported words. It disputes with Latin-derived cognate in 1. The right to form the negation of certain words, indigestible, undigestible, etc. and though both might be deployed in cooperation to indicate shades of meaning, unfamous, infamous, typically they are not. It also makes words from phrases, such as uncalled for, c. 1600, undreamed of, 1630s, uncome at able, 1690s, unputdownable, 1947, of a book. In one breath utterable, Ben Jonson,
United.
etc. But the habit is not restricted to such as put up able with, 1812. As a prefix in telegrams to replace not and save the cost of a word, it is attested by 1936. 2. Prefix of reversal, deprivation, or removal, as in
Deprivation
unhand,
or removal.
undo, unbutton, Old English from Proto-Germanic *andi, source also of Old Saxon and, Old Norse and, Dutch ont, Old High German and, German and, Gothic and, against, from pi *anti, facing opposite, near, in front of, before, against, from pi root and, front, forehead, with derivatives meaning, in front of, before.
The crown.
More or less confused with 1, through similarity in the notions of negation and reversal. An adjective
Negation
such
and
as unlocked
reversal.
might represent not locked, 1, or the past tense of unlock, 2. Entries related to *and, nay, in, nebbish, nefandus,
Nebbish.
privative, unabashed, unabated, unable, unabridged, unaccented, unacceptable, unaccompanied, unaccomplished, unaccountable, unaccredited,
Unaccountable.
unacknowledged.
That's
See
why
all
they're
related
unaccountable.
words. 742, greater than. Others are reading. Dictionary entries near
So, unaccountable, unacceptable, un.
What?
So it means no or nay. Let's see what nay means. No is a Proto-Indo-European root word meaning not. Never. It ain't gonna happen. So, let's see. We keep asking for reparations. What is reparation? Is it a noun? Since we now know that a noun is a no word, right? And a no word is an action that forbidden or unacceptable since 1942 from childish replication of no. It means no. So a noun means no. It's a no word, which is a thing that means no. Unacceptable. Ain't gonna happen. United Nations. Oh, it's the UN. It means no. Unacceptable. So, let's see what reparations mean, shall we? Has the word para in it, has the word ion in it, and it has the word re in it. Reparation. Let's see. R-E-P-A-R-A-T-I-O-N. Reparation. It's a noun. Fantastic. It means no. You ain't gonna get it. Never. Unacceptable. Never. No, no. No. No, 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 no. Okay. Let's see what a noun is, or reparation.
N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Late 14c. Reconciliation, from Old French reparation and directly from Late Latin reparationem. Nominative reparatio. Act of repairing, restoration. Noun of action from past participle stem of Latin reparare, restore. Repair, see repair, v.1. Meaning, act of repairing or mending, is attested from c. 1400. Reparations, compensation for war damage owed by the aggressor, is attested from 1921, with reference to Germany, from French reparations, 1919. Entries related to reparation. Repair. Others are reading. Definitions of reparation from WordNet. Reparation. N. Compensation, given or received, for an insult or injury. An act for which there is no reparation. Reparation. N. Usually plural. Compensation exacted from a defeated nation by the victors. Germany was unable to pay the reparations demanded after World War I. Reparation. N. The act of putting something in working order again. Reparation. N. Something done or paid in expiation of a wrong. Dictionary entries near reparation. Rep. Repaint. Repair. Repairable. Reparable. Reparation. Repart. Repartee. Repass. Repassage. Repast.
Okay, so we see that we know what a noun is. It means no, unacceptable, never, never going to happen. Reparation is a noun, so therefore it's not going to happen. It's unacceptable. But it also says that it means to be something that is an action from the past, meaning past tense, we're always in the present, an act meaning to repairing, restitution. So Germany could not provide reparations to the Jews. So I read in the documents of Germany that they compensated the Jewish people. Now, I wanted to see what compensation is because guess what? When you see, oh, wait, before we even do that, let's check out the word reparations. It starts with R-E. R-E. Let's see what re is. Shall we?
Re. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. With reference to, used from c. 1700 in legalese, from Latin. In
Legalese.
Re, in the matter of. From ablative case of res, property, goods. Matter, thing, affair, from proto-italic asterisk re. From pi asterisk re I, wealth, goods, source also of Sanskrit rei, property, goods, Avestan raii, wealth.
Wealth.
Its use is execrated by Fowler in 3 different sections of modern English usage. Entries related to re. In medias res. Rebus. Reification.
Like a
Reify,
reservation.
Republic. Others are reading. Definitions of re from WordNet. Re. N. The syllable naming the second, supertonic, note of any major scale in psalmization. Re. N. A rare heavy polyvalent metallic element that resembles manganese chemically and is used in some alloys. Is obtained as a byproduct in refining molybdenum. Re. N. Ancient Egyptian sun god with the head of a hawk. A universal creator. He merged with the god Amen as Amen-Ra to become the king of the gods.
He became
Dictionary
the king of the
entries
gods.
near re. Raz. Razzle-dazzle. Razzmatazz. RBI. RCA. Re. Asterisk re. Reabsorb. Reabsorption.
Okay. So we actually find that re, we can put down here that re means, what did re stand out to mean? It means matter of, in the matter of, property, goods, matter, thing, affair. Now, when we know a vowel before a consonant, it cancels out the word, meaning no. That means you get no wealth, you get no property, you get no goods, no matter, nothing, no affairs. So re basically cancels itself out. Since it's a noun, para. Let's see what para. P-A-R-A. Let's see what para means, because para is a word that stands alone by itself.
Para. 1. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Before vowels, par, word-forming element, originally in Greek-derived words, meaning alongside, beyond, altered, contrary, irregular, abnormal, from Greek para from para, prep. Beside, near, issuing from, against, contrary to, from pi asterisk pria, from root asterisk per, 1, forward, hence, toward, near, against. Cognate with Old English for off, away. Mostly used in scientific and technical words, not usually regarded as a naturalized formative element in English. Para, 2. Word forming element of Latin origin meaning, defense, protection against. That which protects from Italian para, imperative of parare, to ward off. From Latin parare,
to
make
ward
ready,
off.
from pi root asterisk per, 1, to produce, procure.
So,
It figures in parachute, parasol, parapet, etc. Entries related to para, asterisk per, 4, palfrey, palsy, parable, paracentesis, parachronism, parachute, paraclete, paradigm, parados, paradox, paresthesia.
okay. So, para is a word meaning alongside, beyond, contrary, irregular, abnormal. So, when we go back to the word reparation, which had RE in it, it means in a matter of, right? In the matter of. So in, THE, the matter of. In the matter of. In the matter of warding off. To ward off. Okay. Let's see. Meaning alongside, beyond, contrary. So contrary. Ward off, contrary, against, contrary to. It's a word element forming an original Greek deliverance of words, meaning alongside. Okay, so let's see what shun, T-I-O-N. We were told T-I-O-N meant contract, T-I-O-N. Okay, shun.
Tian, published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Syllable formed when the word forming element ion, from Latin io, is fixed to a base or to another suffix ending in t or te. In Middle English, in words via Old French, it often was cion. In coercion and suspicion, however, the c belongs to the base. Entries related to tian, ion. Others are reading. Dictionary entries near tian, tinsmith, tint, tintinabulation, tiny, tioga,
Okay, so it says it's a word forming element from ion. So let's go look up ion, or we can go look up T. Let's look up T first because it doesn't have. Let's go T. Let's see what T means. Okay. T.
20th letter of the English alphabet. In the Phoenician alphabet, the corresponding sign was the 22nd and last. Everything after T in the modern alphabet represents European alterations or additions.
European
The sound
alterations?
has been consistent throughout its history. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. In late Latin and Old French, T before E and I acquired the S value of C and words appeared in both spellings, nationum, nationum, and often passed into Middle English with a C, nationum. In most of these the spelling was restored to a T by or in the period of early modern English, but sorting them out took time. Edmund Coutts, English schoolmaster, 1596, noted malicious, and a few, space, place, coercion, suspicion, resisted the restoration. To cross one's T's and dot one's I's, to be exact,
Coercion.
is attested from 1849. Phrase to AT exactly, with utmost exactness, is recorded from 1690s, though the exact signification remains uncertain despite much speculation. The measuring tool called a T-square, sometimes suggested as the source of this, is recorded by that name only from 1785. The T-cell, 1970, so called because they are derived from the thymus. As a medieval numeral, T represented 160. AT was formerly branded on the hand of a convicted thief. Entries related to T. Thymus. Others are reading. Definitions of T from WordNet. T. N. A base found in DNA, but not in RNA, and derived from pyrimidine. Pairs with adenine. Synonyms. Thymine. T. N. One of the 4 nucleotides used in building DNA. All 4 nucleotides have a common phosphate group and a sugar, ribose. Synonyms. Deoxythymidine monophosphate. T. N. A unit of weight equivalent to 1,000 kilograms. Synonyms. Metric ton, mount, ton. T. N. Thyroid hormone similar to thyroxine but with 1 less iodine atom per molecule and produced in smaller quantity. Exerts the same biological effects as thyroxine but is more potent and briefer. Synonyms. Triiodothyronine, liothyronine. T. N. Hormone produced by the thyroid glands to regulate metabolism by controlling the rate of oxidation in cells. Synonyms. Thyroxine, thyroxin, tetraiodothyronine. Dictionary entries near T. Systolic. Asterisk SYU.
Okay. So when we look at the word T, it is the 20th letter of the English alphabet. In the Phonetic alphabet, or Phoenician alphabet, is the 22nd letter. Okay, let's see. The modern alphabets represent a European alteration or addition. A European alteration or an addition. T before E and I equivalent of S. Value of C. Let's see. So T. Cross one I's and dot the T's. It's a phrase. But T, let's see. It means an English schoolmaster. So, reparation so far means in the matter of warding off, or in the matter of property, right, or wealth, alongside 160, coercion. T means coercion. So, in the matter of wealth or property, warding off, alongside or belonging to, coercion, 160. Let's see what ION is. ION. ION. This is great. ION. Don't you just love etymology of words? Just ION is a noun. So basically, ION at the end of the word cancels it all out. Never gonna happen. So, let's see what ION stands for.
N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. 1834. Introduced by English physicist and chemist Michael Faraday. Suggested by the Reverend William Whewell, English polymath. Coined from Greek ion. Neuter present participle of ioni, go. From pi root asterisk a, to go. So called because ions move toward the electrode of opposite charge. Entries related to
They
ion.
move to the
Asterisk
opposite
A,
charge.
Cation. Electron. Ionic. Ionize. Ionosphere. Others are reading. Definitions of ion from WordNet. Ion. N. A particle that is electrically charged, positive or negative. An atom or molecule or group that has lost or gained 1 or more electrons. Dictionary entries near ion. Iotic. Iodide. Iodine. Iodize. Ion. Ion. Ionian. Ionic. Ionic. Ionization. Ionize.
So, NION. 1634. Let's see, what was happening in 1634? In 1634. Well, in 1634, there was a war, the Pequot War. That was where the groups who allied with the Europeans basically got together to murder and massacre the Pequots and started hunting their heads after signing the Hartford Treaty in 1638 and shipping them, after enslaving them, to the West Indian Islands to be slaves to the slave master Dutch, who created the charter of the West Indian Company that basically forbidded the Indians of the New World, under sublimis days, being called so. I call them Tortoisilians, the Turtle Islanders. Now, they created a charter that forbidded them to go from the mainland to the islands, from the islands to Africa, and so on, because they were traveling all over the place using the waterways. They were all mariners. Marines, that's what they were. The Marine Moors. Okay, so now we know what ion, I-O-N, is. Let's see, what can we use to the word? It's a noun. I-O-N is a noun. Coercion, noun. I-O-N. So, English, this is blah, blah, blah. It says from the PIE root EI. Now, what does EI mean? To go. To go. That's the PIE root of ion. And when we go back here, let's see, asterisk roots. So, a particular electrical charge going from positive to negative. A particular electrical charge going from positive to negative. So, let's look at the word again. Reparation. Re-para-T-ion. In the matter of warding off property alongside coercion to go, moving elements from positive to negative. Moving elements from positive to negative. And since you look at the word reparations, you can see that reparation is a no-no word, which is a noun. And we now know that a noun means never, never going to happen, no way, forget it. It means a name or a thing. So basically, using your name on your birth certificate in all capitals, I guess it would mean that you're a thing. And now a thing is a hustler. A judicial process, a law. What is it? A lawsuit. Yes, it is a lawsuit. So you're never going to get reparations, ever. So I thought to myself, why don't we ask for compensation? Because when you read the judicial process of the Germans providing compensation to the Jewish people, I thought to myself, well, the Jewish people were the ones who were treated so horribly in the Second World War, right? And then I thought to myself, hold on, those are Ish. They're not Jews. Who were the original Jews? Oh, the black Europeans. So the Caucasian Europeans were actually murdering and killing and getting rid of the black Europeans to clear the way for dominance over a global setting. I said to myself, let's look up compensation, because compensation would be better than reparation, right? Compensation brings back the pendulum swing according to popular demand. Compensation. Then when I looked up compensation, I realized compensation is a noun. That means you're never going to get compensation. Forget it. No way, no how, never. That's kind of depressing. But let's see what compensation is, shall we?
Compensation. N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Late 14c. Action of compensating, from Latin compensationem, nominative compensatio. A weighing one thing against another, a balancing, noun of action from past participle stem of compensare, to weigh one thing against another, thus, to counterbalance, from com, with, together, see com. Plus pensare, frequentative of pendir, to hang, cause to hang.
To hang?
Pay, from pi root asterisk, s, pen, to draw,
Cause to hang?
stretch, spin. Meaning, what is given in recompense is from c. 1600. Meaning, amends for loss or damages is from 1804. Meaning, salary, wages, is attested from 1787, American English. The psychological sense is from 1914. Entries related to compensation. Asterisk, s, pen, comp, decompensation, overcompensation. Others are reading. Definitions of compensation from WordNet. Compensation. N. Something, such as money, given or received as payment or reparation, as for a service or loss or injury. Compensation. N. Psychiatry. A defense mechanism that conceals your undesirable shortcomings by exaggerating desirable behaviors. Compensation. N. The act of compensating for service or loss or injury. Dictionary entries near compensation. Compelling. Compendious. Compendium. Compensable. Compensate. Compensation. Compensatory.
Okay. So that sounds like a better word, though, doesn't it? But it's still a noun. It's never going to happen. Man, this English language is just so, like, crazy, don't you think? It's amazing how two-faced this language is. If you're not on top of the ball, basically, like, diligent on trying to figure out what these actual words mean, there is so many words in one word. But compensation, it's a noun of action. See? Noun of action. Never gonna happen of action. Right? Against another. To wage one thing against another. To wage one thing against another. That's compensation. That's compensation. To wage one thing against another. So I thought to myself, I did hear a word in there that was quite interesting. And it was recompense. 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 And recompense comes from the word compensation, but it's not a noun. Let's see. What is recompense? Recompense is a verb. That's what we want. A verb, not a noun. A noun seems to be a thing. A noun seems to be just a name, just something that denotes a thing, something that's basically a meeting. It's just, yeah. So we'll talk about it. You know, we'll get back to you. Thanks, niggas. Have a good day. Yep. It's just a judicial procedure. That's what it is. Yes, sir. So, as we can see, compensation in the matter of warding off property alongside 160 coercion to go. Can I get that coercion to go, please? Thank you so much. It's been only 500 years of coercion. Now, where did I hear the word coercion? Coercion. RICO law. Racketeering, influence, coercion, organization. The RICO law. Oh, oh, RICO law. Okay, so now we see that reparations, we're never going to get reparations, but we're always screaming for reparations, reparations. Compensation, you're never going to get compensated. But we want to be compensated. It's been 500 years. How about recompense? Recompense. Oh shit. Oh shit. Recompense. It's a noun. Let's see. What's recompense?
N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Early 15c. Compensation, payment for a debt or obligation. Satisfaction, amends, retribution, punishment, from medieval Latin recompensa and Old French recompense, 13c. Related to recompenser, make good, recompense, from late Latin recompensare. See recompense, v. Recompense, v. c. 1400, recompensen, to redress. Provide as an equivalent, from Old French recompenser, 14c. And directly from medieval Latin recompensare, to reward, remunerate, from Latin re. Again, see re, plus compensare, balance out, literally, weigh together, from com, with, together, see com. Plus pensare, frequentative of pendir, to hang, cause to hang. Weigh, pay, from pi root asterisk, s, pen, to draw, stretch, spin. For the financial sense of the Latin verb, see pound, n.1. From early 15c. As, to compensate, pay for services rendered or for loss of property, rights, etc. Make amends. Dispense punishments or rewards. Related. Recompensed. Recompensing. Entries related to recompense. Asterisk. S. Pen. Com. Pound. Others are reading. Definitions of recompense from WordNet. Recompense. V. Make amends for. Pay compensation for. Recompense. V. Make payment to. Compensate. Recompense. N. Payment or reward, as for service rendered. Recompense. N. The act of compensating for service or loss or injury. Dictionary entries near recompense. Recommence. Recommend. Recommendation. Recommission. Recommit. Recompense. Recon. Reconceptualize. Reconcilable. Reconcile. Reconciliation.
Reconciliation. So basically, the whole time we were always asking for reparations, we were asking to be hung, to be stretched out on a fucking tree. Motherfuckers, eh? We want reparations! We want to be hung! We want to be stretched out! Isn't that a motherfucker? I'm gonna check out pound. Pound is a noun. Is it a verb? Because, let's see. Pound is a noun, so it's never gonna happen. Never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. Never, 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 never gonna get it. So, the verb, even the verb for recompense, right, is weighed together. Everything is weighed together, it's balanced out, it is stretched, it is hung. Every time you're screaming for reparations, you're basically screaming to be hung. Isn't that a fucking shame? I'm trying to find a word that basically means compensation, but I can't find a word that means compensation. Let's see if Siri has any. Siri,
Yes?
what is a synonym for compensation or reparation?
I found this on the web.
You found it on the web. Thank you. Let's see. Let's see. Reparations, compensation. These are certain words. Apology. Well, we know that a vowel before a consonant basically cancels out the word, so you're not going to get that. Atonement. Same thing. You're not going to get that. Indemnity. Nope. Payment. Ooh. Maybe we just keep to the simple words because everything is redress, renewal, repayment, restructure, restitution, compensation, recompense. They're all noun words. There's only one that basically stands out, and it is payment. So let's go to the etymology of payment. We don't want reparation. We don't want compensation. We want P-A-Y, payment. Let's see what payment is. Shall we?
Payment. N. Published by Online Etymology Dictionary. Late 14C. Paiement, action of paying, repayment of a debt. Amount due as a payment, from Old French paiement, 13C. From payer, si pay, v. Meaning, thing or sum of money given in discharge of a debt, is from mid-15C. Entries related to payment, non-payment, pay, repayment. Others are reading. Definitions of payment from WordNet. Payment, N. A sum of money paid or a claim discharged. Payment, N. The act of paying money. Payment, N. An act of requiting, returning in kind. Dictionary entries near payment. Paydirt, payee, payer, payload, paymaster, payment, paynum, payoff, payola, payer, payout.
Okay, that's the perfect word to use. I do not want reparation. I do not want compensation. I do not want recompense. All of those words means to be stretched out. You're never fucking gonna get it. You're gonna be hung and stretched on a fucking tree. To be hung, that's recompense. To be hung, that's compensation. To be hung is reparation. All meaning in the matter of the property of pay, alongside the coercion to go 160, 20, 2020. So guess what? It's TT. Yes. Meaning you'll be stretched. How about this? Just ask for fucking payment. Straight up. I demand payment. I don't even demand. I just want payment. That's it. Payment for a debt. 500 years debt. And what happens if someone doesn't pay you? What do? You put a public and a private lien on the individual, on the corporation, on the the substance of time. Let's see what TT is. Since it's 2020, my mind goes and wonders. TT. Is there actually? No. Titty. Just like a child being born on the land, I demand. Actually, I choir. Need, want, payment. That's it. Just keep it simple. Payment. Fuck reparation. Fuck compensation. Fuck restitution. Payment. Straight up. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.